Elsa! Elsa, wake up! Elsa, wake up!
Anna, go back to sleep.
I just can't. The sky is awake, so I'm awake, so we have to play.
You play by yourself.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, come on, come on! This is magic! This is magic! Are you ready? This is amazing! What's this?
Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs.
I love you, Olaf! No, Anna! Wait! Slow down, Anna! Are you okay, Anna? I got you! Mother! Father!
What happened?
Anna?
Elsa, what have you done? This is getting out of hand.
She is high school.
I know what we have to do. Help me! Help, please! It's my daughter!
Born with the power cursed.
Born.
This is getting stronger.
You are lucky it wasn't her. The hair is not easily changed, but the hair can be persuaded.
Do what you must.
I recommend we remove all magic, even memories of magic, to be safe, but don't worry. I leave the fun.
But you want that I have a power.
It's for the best.
Listen to me, Elsa. Your power will only grow. There is beauty in it, but also great danger. You must control it. Fear will be your enemy.
No! We will protect her. She can to control it, but I'm sure. Until then we'll lock the gates. We'll reduce the staff. We'll limit her contact with people and keep her powers hidden from everyone, including Anna. See? Control it. Don't feel it. Don't let it show.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you're gone away. We used to be best buddies. Now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. I'm scared. My powers are getting stronger.
Elsa, please. Getting upset will only make it worse.
And you have to leave? It's a short trip. Your father and I only began for a few weeks.
Be strong, Elsa.
No, don't touch me. I don't want to hurt you.